Are you wanting a shower down there, Totoro? Is that what you want? You want a shower? Yeah, shower! Shower time! Oops, hold on. Oh, have a hard time coming up. There we go. I'm sorry, it's being stupid. Hold on. Is that your happy cockatiel shower dance? Yeah. So cute. This little girl loves showers. All done. Was that good? Yeah? Whoop. Was that good? Did you like your shower? Well, now you're going to immediately go get something to eat. Look how cute you are. Look how cute you are after your shower. Yeah. Yep. You get all that water off. Oh, I can see your little ear. I can see your little ear. Yeah. A little dark spot. Cutie. Cutie.